Have you ever had a list of values and needed to figure out which ones add up to a specific total amount? That's where reverse calculator comes in. It works backwards. Yes, you heard right, backwards. Just enter your list of values, set up your total amount, hit find combinations, and let it do its work. From our list of 12 values, the reverse calculator was able to identify the 5 matches that add up to our total target value of $2,301.75. No trying different combinations, no guesswork, just results. At work, we get large payments with no invoice breakdown. No problem. We use the reverse calculator, and in seconds, we can pinpoint which invoices are getting paid. And sometimes there are rounding issues. Well, no problem. The reverse calculator can accommodate for that. It looks for the matches. It tells you there is no exact match. Would you like to see combinations within 1 cent? That's plus or minus 1 cent. Hit yes, and it will give you the matches that are adding up to your total target within 1 cent. The reverse calculator will give you the closest match as well. Let's say we remove the 81 cents from here, and that's our target value now. We hit find combinations. It tells us there is no exact match. Would you like to see combinations within 1 cent? Yes, we know there is no match within 1 cent. Would you like to see closest approximation? Click yes, and the reverse calculator will give you the list of values that add up to your target amount, and it will give you the difference between the two. Reverse calculator, save the day. Try it today. Links in the description.